There comes a moment in every man's life when he realizes the world doesn't belong to the loudest voice. It belongs to the man who controls himself. Because the man who masters his emotions masters the room. And the man who masters the room owns the story. Women feel this long before they understand it. They don't crave the man who's always available. They crave the one who appears like a storm, unexpected, undeniable, and impossible to fully hold. Tonight, I'll show you the 4 shadow laws that make that storm real. No cheap tricks, no fake confidence. Just raw psychological power that turns the tables until she's chasing you. The first moment decides everything. When she sees you for the first time, her mind will either ignore you or it will snap awake with one electric question. Who is he? That question is the hook. Most men fail here. They rush to be liked. They try to be friendly, safe, predictable. But the man who wins, he makes her notice something she can't name. Imagine this. You walk into a room, you don't rush, you don't scan for approval. You move like a man who already knows the night belongs to him. Your body language? Relaxed. Your expression? Amused, like you're carrying a secret the world isn't ready for. That's intrigue. And intrigue is magnetic. Humans don't remember faces, they remember moments. The man who gives her that first jolt of curiosity owns the moment. And once her mind locks on, it will start hunting for answers. And when a woman hunts for answers, she isn't analyzing you. She's already investing in you. That's when obsession begins. There is part it is not that us. Here's the truth. Scarcity isn't a trick. It's the natural energy of a man whose life is bigger than anyone's curiosity. Average men give too much too soon. In Carity, they talk too long, they explain too much, they empty the mystery before it ever has a chance to grow. A high-value man does the opposite. He leaves stories unfinished. He gives hints, not answers. He tells her, "There's something about you that feels dangerous." And then silence. Now her mind is burning. Dangerous how? What did he mean? What? Humans hate open loops. We crave completion. And the moment she starts replaying your words in her head, she's already chasing the ending you never gave her. Scarcity adds the second blade to this weapon. Your attention, not always available. Your time, never predictable. Your life, larger than she can picture. You leave conversations while they're still alive. You don't text instantly. You mention exciting plans, but never give the full story. And suddenly, she's thinking about you when you're not even there. So, because what the brain can't fully have, it values more than what it already owns. That's why rarity breeds desire. If she's thinking logically, you're losing. If she's feeling emotionally, you're winning. Women don't fall for lists. They fall for the man who makes them feel. She asks, "So, what kind of girl do you like?" The average guy gives predictable answers. Kind, loyal, smart. The man who understands emotion? He tilts his head slightly, smiles, and says, "Right now, I'm just trying to figure out why you keep looking at me like that." And in one move, you flip the frame. She was gathering facts. Now she's in a moment. That's the difference. Logic belongs to negotiation. Emotion belongs to influence. And the man who controls the emotion controls the connection. Because attraction doesn't live in the checklist of her mind. It lives in the chaos of her heartbeat. This is the most dangerous law of all. When your attention feels scarce, and when other women seem to want it too, something primal wakes up inside her. She doesn't just want you anymore. She wants to win you. Picture the scene. A group of people. You stay calm, unhurried, centered. One girl laughs louder at your jokes. Another leans closer. A third interrupts just to pull you into her story. And the one who was watching quietly before? Now she starts leaning in too. You didn't chase anyone. You didn't brag. You didn't compete. You simply held the frame. And now they're competing for you. That's the competition loop. Scarcity plus visible desire equals obsession. And the man who is the prize never runs after anyone because he doesn't have to. The final image. Picture this. You, calm, centered, untouchable. Women leaning in, voices rising, trying to pull you deeper into their world, while you stay warm, charming, but always slightly out of reach. Because the man they can't fully hold is the man they'll never stop chasing.